Your vehicle may be equipped with a smart rearview mirror that provides a clear view from a camera located on the rear of the vehicle. With the ignition switch in the on position, you can switch between conventional rearview mirror mode and smart rearview mirror mode with this lever. Moving the lever in this direction switches to the conventional rearview mirror mode. Moving the lever in this direction switches to the smart rearview mirror mode. The smart rearview mirror provides a wider view than standard rearview mirrors, and it's especially effective in low light conditions. If dirt, rain, or snow accumulates on the rear window, the smart rearview mirror may not display objects clearly. Use of the rear washer may improve visibility, but if not, switch to the conventional rearview mode until the rear window can be cleaned. When using the LCD screen, the LED headlamps of following vehicles may appear to flicker. This is not a malfunction. When the smart rearview mirror is on, settings can be adjusted by pressing the menu button. Press it repeatedly to cycle through available options. Then use these buttons to change the setting. Your selections are stored after every button release and will be enabled each time you start the vehicle. The smart rearview mirror automatically changes display brightness according to the intensity of the headlights of the following vehicle. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.